So I'll click on create. You can see our page has been created. So just
I tried creating Facebook page, but Facebook keep telling me you have created too many pages recently. Please try again later. But I've only create two page, and most of the time, even when you have not create any page, they will give you this notice. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve that issue. This is going to be a step-by-step guide. So stay tuned. I'm going to share the tools I'll be using so we can bypass this restriction. My name is Emeka Ome, and this is my channel Emeka Creative Show, where I talk about AI tools, software, website, apps. I show you tips and tricks. I share my ideas on what I do and how you can do and get the exact same result. Guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification button for more videos from me. Also, if this work for you, let me know your thought on the comment section. So with no further ado, let's get started.
creating a Facebook page, you need this two Facebook app. But normally you can create Facebook page with any of the Facebook app, Facebook and Facebook Lite. But the recommended is Facebook, the normal Facebook, which is this one, the blue one, not the one with white background, but the blue one. So why the blue one is recommended, the main Facebook is recommended, is because the real Facebook has more feature than the Facebook Lite. So it's recommended for you to use the normal Facebook to create your page. So let's begin. So I'll open up my Facebook. You are just going to click here. You are going to click there. So it's going to open up this way. You will come to where it says pages. I'm going to click, and from here, if you have created page, you see the pages that you have created so far. For me, I've just created only two page. So I want to create another page. So for you to do that, you just come here where it says create at the top left hand of your phone. I'll click on create, and it has opened up this way. It says create your page. Your page is a space and also explain. So down here it says get started. So I'm just going to click on get started. I'm going to put my page name. It's going to be my main page. So I'll click next. So it says search for categories. I'm going to search for categories. So guys, I've gone ahead to add digital creator, news and media website, tutor and teacher. So what you put on your categories, that's how they'll be able to find you while searching for different topics on Facebook. So you are going to, I'll hit on create, and as you can see here, it said I'll hit on create so that you see the message. It says you have created too many pages recently, please try again later. That notification, as you can see. Let me click again. This is it, please try again later. So I'm going to show you how to resolve this. So let's go back. So first of all, you have to head over to your Play Store. I'm going to show you the tools we'll be using so that we can bypass this notice. So on your Play Store, you search for just VPN, then you click on it. This is it, just VPN. My own is saying open. But for you, you just head over here and download. For those of you using iPhone, you can check for any other VPN that is free or paid. Anyone, there are different type of VPN, but this is the one I'm using. This is it, just VPN. So I'm going to click and open it. Actually, it has a paid plan and it's also free, but we'll be using the free, the free plan. So you just hit continue with ads. Yeah. So you have different country from the United States, different countries. So I'll be connecting with the United States. You have the US, United States. So I'm just going to click right here on connect, and as you can see, it's connecting. It's running some ads. I'll cancel the ad. It's connecting, and as you can see, it says your connection is protected. So we are going to minimize. Then head over to Facebook again. So we are going to click right here, scroll down to where it says pages, and I'll click on create. So I'll click on get started. I'll put my page name, Emeka Creative here. Yeah. I'll click on next. Then I'll put my categories: digital creator, select tutorial, tutor and teacher. I'll click on news and media website. So I'll click on create. You can see our page has been created. So just if this is helpful, just leave a like on this video, subscribe, turn on the bell notification button for more updates like this. So it says here you have created your page. What best describe your goals? Well, use this. It just explain everything. Promote your product or services, create content and connect with fans. So I'm going to select create content and connect with fans. Create content, I'll click on continue. If you want to promote your services, you select the first option. So as you can see, our page has been created and we have to customize our page by selecting our profile pictures and doing all the stuff. So I'm just going to click on profile picture to select mine so that I can continue. So I've selected my profile picture and that's it right there. So for the channel, for my page banner, I will do that. I'll update that later. You can always edit that. So I'm going to click on next to proceed. So it's showing me it says build your page audience, grow a maker creative shape by inviting your friends to connect with it. So I can do that later. I'm just going to click next. So here it says add your favorite to make a creative shape. So I'm going to click next. So this says stay informed about your page and I'm going to click next. And as you can see, it's switching from my personal profile, my own personal profile account to my page. As you can see, our page has been successfully created. So it says switch to Emeka Creative Shape. This is our page. So welcome to your new page. Welcome to your new page. So I'll start to so is I'll just click on next and done. So this is it. So guys, this is it. You can just come here and write a welcome post. This is your contact preference. Add an action button. So this is it, guys. This is my page, and guys, don't forget to also come here and follow me and follow my page on Facebook. So from here you can click on where it says see dashboard. You check out your dashboard. Say welcome to professional dashboard Omega Creative. So I'll click on explore on my own. I'll do this my own. So this is it, guys. You just have to come here, customize everything, and that's it. Your page has been created. So I'll click on this three dots. Then from here you can see all these: edit, page status, add action button, viewers, and all these things. Manage post, review post. And this is my page link. So after clicking that three dot, you can come here and click on copy link to share your page link. So I click on edit. So this is it. Cover photo, bio. So I'll just put bio. Let me just describe. So after putting your bio, you just have to click on save at the top right hand corner of your screen. Click on save, and it's saved. This is it. This is the bio. So let's minimize this place and go back to just VPN and disconnect, so we can visit our page to see that we can now use our page without using the VPN. So I'm going to click on disconnect. Click on disconnect. These are ads. So after disconnecting, let's revisit it. So I've disconnected. Now it's saying connect. So after disconnecting, you just go back and visit your page. So this is our page. It's loading. So as you can see, you can now access our page without using the VPN. But before creating your page, you turn on the button. After creating your page, you put the necessary information, then you do the necessary customization, and you just go back and disconnect. This is it, guys. So guys, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on the bell notification button for more videos like this, more tutorials from me, more videos about AI. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video to different Facebook groups and people who wants to create Facebook, but Facebook restriction does not allow them. So guys, see you in my next video.